What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're in a 2020 Toyota Sienna, and we're going to be taking a look at how to move this jump seat from the second row. So I'm sitting in the second row now, and this middle seat between the two captain's chairs is actually removable. So let's take a look at how to get it out. The first thing we need to do is pull this latch, and that's going to allow it to come down like that. Then if we notice down here, there's another loop that we need to pull, and that's going to flip up. And then once it flips up, it'll basically just pick up out of there like that. And for storing it, you could fold that down or... Okay, so now to put it back in, we need to line these up on the bottom. So we're going to put those lined up. Okay, then the other thing we need to do is flip this part down. And then that'll lock in like that, and then just flip that to where it's locked. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.